Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2003 Honda VT750 Shadow Spirit. This is the one you've been waiting for. Gorgeous red metallic flame paint scheme. Some cool chrome accessories, including highway pegs, front radiator cover, master cylinder cover, awesome straight pipe sound. It's got a really cool Corbin matching flame leather seat, passenger backrest, shorty fenders. This bike is in great condition. It's priced to sell at just $26.99. Come by, make your Honda Shadow Spirit dreams come true. This beautiful metallic red with a flames paint scheme. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Wait till you hear this thing. Oh yeah. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.